part 2 of optimizing Windows. Right, bottom search bar, type in CMD, run as administrator, and you're definitely going to need to do it this way if you're on an older computer. Now, if you're on a newer computer, you can right click here and go up to PowerShell admin. Now, do back up all your files, photos, everything before doing this step. Right, first thing, type in check disk, CHKDSK, /F, press enter. And then here you want to press Y for yes. Next time you restart, it's going to do the check disk. Next thing you want to do is SFC /scan now. Press enter. And the SFC is System File Checker. Right, found corrupted files and successfully repaired them. Sometimes it won't success. You just redo this again after a restart and you should be fine. Next command, DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Press enter. If you're on an older computer, and that DISM.exe. Now restart your computer, good to go.